Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Richmond, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move is more than 50 miles away from where you now reside. 3 Movers will make your move a breeze. You get your goods in excellent condition and fast. We've got a great insurance policy in place to protect us from any potential problems that may emerge during the move. We also have long-distance relocation permits from the state and federal government, and our movers take great care of your possessions. It's easy to utilize our trucks to move a wide variety of home products across long distances. All of our drivers are highly skilled professionals, and they strictly follow every highway traffic and rule regulation. Local moves need trained movers as well. Richmond is sometimes congested, making it challenging to make a quick and uncomplicated relocation. But with careful preparation and the help of the qualified moving company, you don't have to worry about anything at all. We'll get back to you as soon as possible if you have any questions. Additionally, our local and long-distance services are pretty affordable. A 1-hour session with us costs between $30 and $40. Whether you're moving across state or across the country, our team of experts is here to help. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Richmond moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.